5 years ago, Architect Le Viet Ha decided to change the way he got around town, moving from car motorbike to bicycle. He now cycles to work as a way of exercising. As someone who works in architecture and urban planning, he recognizes many benefits that cycling brings.
Bicycles have many positive effects on people. They are not only a great means of transport, but also promote social cohesion and help improve people's health.
In 2018, the United Nations declared June 3rd as World Bicycle Day. A year later, Cycling Week was launched in Vietnam by Architect Le Viet Ha and his colleagues at Ashui.com, an architectural forum. Cycling Week takes place annually in the first week of June to promote transport by bicycle, environmentally friendly traffic, and reductions of carbon emissions, contributing to ensuring clean air and better living environment in Vietnam's cities. In 2020, during Cycling Week, a workshop entitled Hoi is a Cycling City was held to promote the building of Hoi into a cycling city. In addition to Hoi An localities such as Hoi and Ho Chi Minh City are keen on building a roadmap for campaigns to change people's travel habits and encourage them to use bicycles, but many difficulties are still to be resolved.
Existing infrastructure is not yet safe for cycling. We need bicycle-friendly infrastructure like trees to provide shade.
There are still many difficulties on the journey to building bicycle-friendly cities in Vietnam and promoting cycling given the inadequacies in local infrastructure. But with major efforts being made towards sustainable development, the use of bicycles is becoming a priority.